traction control and ABS on, and also notice a 15.6 miles per gallon. So Saturday, I was at 17.7 miles per gallon. Now I'm at 15.6. Haven't been driving any different. The only difference is the ABS light and traction control come on. Why? Watch this video and find out. Haven't had to work on the just empty every pocket in 3 days. So I guess it needs some loving. Anyways, gonna get it jacked up, take this wheel off. This is the one that has the wheel to speed sensor reading 0. Anytime you're gonna remove a wheel, always have a jack stand under the axle. That way, if the jack falls with the wheel off, you'll still A, be able to get the jack back under it, and B, be able to get the wheel back under it, and C, not squash your body parts. I have been quite impressed with this Harbor Freight impact wrench. It's only 3/8. I got a 1/2 inch to 3/8 a 1/2 inch adapter on it. It does really well. On the back of your wheel hub, right there is a connector for your wheel speed sensor. I believe it's held in place. It's a metric Allen head, but obviously the connector's got the little red plastic tab. You got to push it out, then release the electrical connector, then take the single hex head bolt out, and then it pulls out in this direction, straight out. So I'm not going to be able to hold the phone and do this, but that's basically the step. Okay, mine actually uses an 8mm socket to remove the sensor. There's a nut instead of a Allen wrench. Maybe some of the newer ones take the Allen wrench style. Mine is a nut. Kind of see it down there now that I've got the connector on and the nut part of the way out. I'll see if you can This sucker is in a fun place to get to. So yeah, I'll bring you back after I get it out. And you can see it just pretty much pulls out of there. Just like that. And looking at the sensor, I mean, the sensor don't seem bad. Doesn't have any oil or anything like that on it. But anyways, you can get these off of Amazon pretty cheap. I think I got 2 of them for less than 20 bucks. So I'll leave a link to that. New sensors from Amazon. I'll see if I can show you installing this. It's kind of hard to get to back here. It's kind of hard to see anyways. You want to make sure that that little paddle, let's see, that little paddle right there faces forward. Pretty certain that's the only way that it'll go in, but that's what you want to make sure. That little paddle is facing forward. And I think you have to go around Yep, you have to go around your, if you've got it, your sway bar end. let's see. Then I'm going to shut this off because I just don't have good lighting outside.